Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys Unreal makeup therapy. You guys love my Unreal makeup series, but I thought why not to create them in long format so that you can be satisfied, relax and see unfiltered makeup tutorial. This will be the look that I'll be creating. I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Pencil, which is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils, and I'm gonna make my eyebrows look into shape because they are so out of shape right now, so please ignore that and ignore my voice as well. I have cold and cough, so yeah, please ignore that. I am going to now use this Mars concealer to carve my eyebrows. I am actually going to use the same concealer on my face as well. I would say I like this concealer for the price, but this is definitely not a dupe for LA Girl. LA Girl is another level concealer. This one is a little bit drying, to be honest, since my skin has become dry lately, so this one is not that great for my skin or dry skin people, but I still like it for the price. Yeah, and this shade is pure beige. I'm just gonna prep my eyes for the eyeshadow as well. Today again I'm gonna do my eyes first because I'm planning to do a winged cartoon liner. It's gonna be a shimmer liner, so I'm using this Huya Beauty palette to take this transition shade and set my eyes with the same, as well as create a light transition on the eyes. We are not gonna do much on the eyes. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I am gonna be uploading super consistently this week because I was missing you guys so much, but now I'm back, and yeah, I'm just creating that winged eyeliner with the eyeshadow. If you guys struggle with winged eyeliners, definitely try it out with eyeshadow and a brush. You'll see the difference. You'll have so much control on your hands. And now I'm taking this Lakme Iconic eyeliner and just making an outline of that winged eyeliner that I created with the shadow. This you need a little bit practice for this. And now I'm just gonna coat my lashes. This eyeliner style is actually called cartoon liner, which I learned from Nikki tutorials. Also, you guys always ask me to create a lash, like how to put on lashes, so please watch this carefully. Now I always check the size of the lash first and then cut them off and simply glue them, let the glue dry and paste them. It's that simple. I am gonna start off with my base now. I am using the Cal Illuminating Primer for the base, so that my dry skin can have a little bit of illumination. Now for my pores and T-zone, I'm gonna use the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, and I'm just gonna apply it on my T-zone and blend it nicely into my skin. For the foundation, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation and mixing it up with the Lakme foundation, because the LA Girls is not like perfect shade, so I like to mix them up. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply it on my face using a brush. And right now I'm really liking the way stippling brush blends out my foundation, but you have to be very careful while blending. Like you have to take care and take your time while blending the foundation or any other base products. For the concealer, I'm again using the Mars. You can see how little I'm using because this is a pretty heavy concealer, although it's not full coverage, but it is pretty heavy, so I like to use very little amount because I don't want a cakey face. So you can see I just spread it out and it spreads really nicely, and I'm just blending it out. You can see how easily it blends, but this one is definitely not hydrating like the LA Girl. I'm now using the K Beauty loose powder to set my face. I am not gonna bake because of my dry skin, and using the contour palette from K Beauty again and mixing the last two contour and bronzer shades. And I'm gonna bronzer today. I'm not gonna contour separately because I don't want a lot going on, so this is the easy way to do it. I'm gonna use the same shades on my nose for my nose contour as well. For the blush, I'm gonna use the Faces Canada Perfect blush. I really like this one because it has this golden flecks in it, which looks really nice and glowy once applied. I'm also gonna put it on my nose because winters are here and I really like the way it looks. I'm gonna use the same transition shade that I used on the upper lash line and using this grey pencil from Lakme and lining my lower lash line with this. I really am enjoying kajal these days, so I thought why not. Using the same Lotus mascara and applying it on my lower lash line. And today I'm going to use a very subtle highlighter, which is the elf. I really like this one. You can build it up and make it blinding, but I like to keep it subtle sometimes, using this shade from Nika, which is almost over, and dabbing it on my lips. I'm also going to apply it like thoda sa zyada ki nazar aaye lipstick kya hai. So this is a shade. I really like how it looks with the eye look, and that is the final look, you guys. A little bit of jewelry and a little bit of poses. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.